Hey everyone! Today I will be discussing how Schinninger's 6 elements that drive change in terms of my professional experience and how as a leader in educational technology, I can apply this information and drive change in my district. I will also discuss if data plays a role in driving change. I do not work in a district, but I do work in higher education, and all 6 of the following elements are needed to drive change. The elements are connectedness matters, vision, value, support, professional development, and embracement. Connectedness matters. We must stay connected, engaged, and participate in technology to impact education. Knowledge is everything, and it influences our decision and opinions. Connectedness creates a sense of community and can create a feeling of being safe. Some of the professors I work with claim they're not tech suave, but if they feel connected to the rest of the staff in the sense that they will receive help in learning how to use this technology, they will feel they are valued and that they matter. Vision. Schinninger states that the seeds for change will only germinate if a coherent vision is established. Having a vision for integrating technology is important to show why technology is needed and how technology can be used to share documents with fellow employees or students. If the vision is clear, then those involved will understand it and support it. Value. Although technology can show the creative side of students, the emphasis on standardized test scores has decreased the value of technology. This can be applied to employees as well. Students are able to use technology to create poster presentations, 3D images of body parts, or a study for an anatomy test that is different from looking in a book. If employees do not feel valued by their employer, then they won't be motivated to do their best performance. They will not feel the need to learn the different ways technology can help them in the classroom. Support. Professors need access to technology in order to succeed at it. I work in the College of Medical Science and the School of Physician Assistants. Students and professors must have access to specific technology to learn their field of medicine. Schinninger says another important element of support is removing the fear of failure and encouraging the risk-taking environment. Change cannot happen without that element. Professional development. Professors need the opportunity to continue learning. In my department, the professors are licensed physician assistants. Most of them still work a day or two a week clinically. They attend conferences throughout the year. Without these opportunities, they would not continue growing in their field and would not be able to pass down new ideas or information to students. Since starting this job, I have taken over the college's Facebook page. I would post different things that students are doing on campus, guest lectures, and new information about physician assistants for anyone to see or read. Social media is a great way to build professional learning networks, skills, and a way to contribute building new skills for others. Embracement. Embracement is attained throughout empowerment and autonomy. The university I work for is slowly becoming more technologically advanced. In the past few years, they have added online classes, and most recently, my program as a whole has started using Google Docs. They are starting to see it as easier to access what everyone does, especially if that person is on vacation. For example, I am required to keep specific documents for the students who are on clinical rotations. While I was on vacation, the clinical coordinators needed some of that information I keep, but they were not able to access it because it was only on my computer. Data plays a major role in setting goals and helps focus on progression and regression. By looking at the data, we can see where students in my program meet in regards to other students' test scores, the demographics. It shows whether we are equal, below, or above other physician assistant schools. This information helps in showing where our strengths and weaknesses lay and where we need to implement change the most. Change is not easy, but it is a necessity. Thank you for reading my blog.